Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome to yet another episode of James DIY Garage. I'm James and my 2014 Maserati Ghibli is right behind the camera here. We'll see her in a bit. I hope everybody is coping well and is staying healthy as a result of this coronavirus thing and if you're in a quarantine or lockdown situation. I have gotten a little too healthy, as you can probably tell. I've reduced my calorie intake by a lot. But since the gym's closed and I can't play my passion, pick up basketball with other guys my age, it's been tough. So hopefully when all of this is over with, I'll be able to lose this again and get back to the way it was before. Yeah, I still had one, but it wasn't as big as it is now. I've gained probably a little over 5 pounds since we went into lockdown. I also had to cancel my 60th birthday party. I turned 60 on the 27th of this month. And I'm sure everybody else has had to cancel an important event because of this coronavirus situation going on. And I apologize. In today's video, this is the big reveal of the finished product of the reconditioning and cosmetic paint mod I did on my 2014 Maserati Ghibli. In my last video, you'll remember that the car was in Eric's shop and the front bumper was getting completely reconditioned. The side skirts and the rear diffuser were getting color match painted to the rest of the car. I didn't show any good video footage or good photos of the car because I wanted to save that for this video. Well, I just had the wheels powder coated and I really like the color I picked. So the work is complete and now is the big reveal. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I've got a number of new subscribers since this lockdown, in spite of, I guess we just have more time to watch videos. I know I do. Please, if you haven't already, take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Click the like button, like this video. Being a YouTuber myself, I know how much those other YouTubers appreciate those comments and the likes. The number of comments and the number of likes the video gets is a better gauge on how well the content was received by the viewers. And now, with the work complete, the big reveal. Are you ready for this? Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, the big reveal. Do a quick walk around. I love the color of those rims I chose. The color of the powder coated rims is shadow chrome black. There's a hint of chrome in it. Black makes it look gray, but you can see the chrome in it. You can also see the diffuser, same color as the rest of the car. That makes it look nice. I like that. I thought that flat black was ugly. And the wax always got stuck on it too. See white spots and stuff. It's hard to keep clean. But this looks a lot cleaner. The car looks lower to the ground. And let's get a close look up of those rims in the sun. And the front bumper. Front bumper was done at Eric's shop. That was a Camaro showing off in front of the Maserati. Everybody got to show off in front of the Maserati.